Navigating the application process for working in England requires careful planning and understanding of visa requirements. Here's a step-by-step guide to help American expatriates successfully secure employment. First, determine the appropriate visa type based on your employment situation. The skilled worker visa is the most common for skilled workers offered a job in the UK. Other options include the Intracompany Transfer Visa for employees of multinational companies, the Graduate Route Visa for recent graduates, and the Youth Mobility Scheme for young adults. Prepare for your visa application by researching visa requirements, securing a job offer from a UK employer, and meeting English language and financial requirements. Tailor your resume and portfolio to align with UK standards, focusing on relevant skills and experience. Once you have a job offer and all necessary documents, apply online through the UK government's official website. Depending on the visa type, you may need to attend a biometrics appointment or interview. Consider seeking professional assistance from immigration lawyers or advisors, and work closely with your prospective employer to navigate the visa sponsorship process. With careful planning and preparation, you'll be well on your way to starting your new career in England. And as always, choose SDC International Shipping for your next move and experience a seamless, stress-free relocation. Contact us today to start your journey abroad with confidence. SDCinternationalshipping.com